Alright. Stand back. Take a look here. Is this thing gonna focus? Okay. Come on. Oh well. All walls are in. And I've got my ceramic blanket here, which I'm going to split. I'm going to rip it. And then I'm going to stuff it. Right there between the angle iron. That's the damper sitting on top of, and the face wall. And that gap is not supposed to be there. I mean, those bugs just had multiple issues. Like I say on my other video, I gave this guy an F. You know, he didn't know enough. He shouldn't have built this, because I mean, this thing easily could have caused a fire. So now the left wall is in, and that's all sloughed in and all voids filled. And I actually put some ceramic blanket in that corner, because that corner was hollowed out pretty bad. So I filled brick and ceramic blanket there. And of course, on the previous video, you can see across the back, I did this wall before Christmas. That cold front came in, got down to 9 degrees. Pretty chilly here for Texas and Dallas Fort Worth. Anyway, I just got through doing this one, and it looks okay. I mean, I'm my worst critic. Then I'll give it about, well, this wall here it'll take 28 days for it to cure. And I'm going to let it down and start with some slow fires, gradually build up. You don't want to shock the new material. And I filled that in. That was a pothole. It'll eventually pop back up. It's not much. There's not much bond, but it'll stick for a while. That's it for now. One firebox, completely rebuilt, and well, FIREBRICK anyway. So high top damper in good shape. He's good to go for hopefully another 15 to 20 years. Blessings.